Sound of the City is a sound creation tool using spatial augmented reality where users can create sounds by interacting with the environment, adding a personal touch to the urban soundscape. The application will generate suggested notes from different types of materials. The first feature is sound exploration. On the home screen, users can see several sounds locating in where they are. Users can discover more sounds from the list of the area's soundscape. Let's hear an example. When users have selected a sound, they can add them to their template for sound creation. They can go through all the tracks to choose the part that will fit their story. Now we are ready. Let's start recording. When users have finished recording, they can add title and description on this screen. The color of the pin will change, showing their personal touch in the city. These small interactions will help people feel more connected to the place, and it will increase the sense of security, and that is how we postpone the loneliness.